Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Travlin Prof, and today we are going to learn how to say the word chicken, as in the meat and not the animal.
Куриное мясо. Куриное мясо.
Куриное мясо. So this is our first compound word that we have learned, and the word chicken is куриное. And you might remember from a few weeks ago we learned мясо, which means meat. So chicken meat is what you're saying literally. Мясо is a neuter word, so we've added the o, ye, aye, ending to куриное to make it modify мясо properly. If you don't understand all this, that's okay. Maybe one of these days we'll do a series on Russian grammar as well. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Куриное мясо. Куриное мясо.